happening? This is Johnny Snow in the building, and I got sent this laser right here to try out on one of my guns, so I figure I might as well try it out on the Grim Reaper. And what's awesome about this light is that it's not a red dot, it's not a red laser or a green laser. This is the blue laser. So, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here and decide whether or not I'm gonna put the blue dot on my other one too. You know, might have two blue dots on here. So let me go ahead and open this up. All right, let's see what all we got in the package. All right, this thing has magnetic charging. That's one of the big selling points. You can, hold on, let's pull this on out of here and check this out. They say that all you have to do is it'll tap onto the bottom. You let it charge up so you don't have to buy no batteries. Let's see, let me pull that on out. And, oh yeah. All right, so it does work. So that's how you charge this, all right? And like I said, this is a blue laser. So we're finna see how this looks on here. So give me a quick. What I found out is that this is too far forward to fit on here. But the cool thing is that we have another hole where we can move it back to adjust it some. So hold on just a second. All right, we finna see how good this laser is. All right, there it is installed. Let's see if I can get it in focus. All right, this is my new blue laser. Got it on the Grim Reaper. Got it on the Grim Reaper. So there she is. And like low light situation. All right. Hey, look at how she look on the wall. That's how it looks in the light. See how it looks in the light. All right, that's how. All right, this is just showing you what the blue laser look like. What the blue laser look like. That's messing with the camera. This is the perfect bag for this. Fits in there perfect. Fits in there perfect. This is my favorite gun bag right here. All right. Oh yeah, that beam works great. The beam works great. Here we go. Got it on there. And here, let me show you guys. So we got the blue dot on it. The blue dot. I like it. I like it. I think I'm gonna put one on it, on the other one. So you see how it sits on there. And it has 3 holes to make it fit. I like the placement of the button. I like how it fits on there. And it actually kind of keeps in line with the way the gun looks. So, you know, I may go ahead and leave this on. You have your windage and elevation screws right here on the bottom. I like how the charging works. You know, it's magnetic, so yeah. Oh yeah, I can. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. Yeah, and hit them notifications. And I got another video coming up where we're gonna, you know, test the firing rate and all that when you bump fire. How fast we can get the bump fire going, because I know a lot of people been wanting to see the bump fire with the 30 DMG. So we're gonna do it on both of them. So that's on the way. All right, Johnny Snow up out.